First, open your browser and go to dps.texas.gov. On the driver license page, choose Online Services. Before you continue, make sure the web address ends in Texas.gov. Next, select Change Your Address on your driver license or ID. The official DPS page may send you to TXT, short for Texas by Texas. That secure redirect is normal. Sign in to your TXT account. If this is your first visit, create an account and link your Texas driver license or ID using the details printed on your current card. From the dashboard, open driver license or ID. You may see options to renew, replace, upgrade, or update the address depending on your card. Choose Change of Address. On some screens, the address update is grouped under Replace Card because DPS issues a replacement card with the new address. Read the eligibility details before continuing. Your card must be unexpired, you must be at least 18, and DPS must have your social security number on file. Enter the new residential address exactly as it should appear. Include the apartment or unit number when needed, then double-check the city, state, and zip code before selecting Next. Now compare your current address and new address line by line. Fix any typo before you confirm, because the replacement card will be mailed using this information. Pay through the secure official checkout. The current DPS fee page lists $11 for a replacement driver license or ID, including an address change. Older guides may show $5, so always verify the total shown at checkout. When the success message appears, save the receipt and confirmation number. You can download the page or take a screenshot so you have a record of the request. Check your email for the DPS or TXT confirmation. Keep that message until the new card arrives, and check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it after a few minutes. You can also manage the process in the official TXT mobile app and use the DPS mailing status service to track the card. Remember, Texas requires you to update your address within 30 days after moving.